Welcome back, my beautiful English learners. Today, I want to take you on a journey, not just to learn English, but to learn success. Because success is not just for the lucky. It's for the brave, the consistent, and the believers. You see, when we learn English or chase any dream, we need something more than grammar and vocabulary. We need powerful principles that light our path. So grab your notebook, open your heart, and get ready to feel inspired. Let's grow together with these 10 powerful principles for success. 1. Start before you're ready. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Many people never succeed because they wait and wait until they feel ready. But success belongs to those who take the first step, even if they're scared, even if they don't know everything. Example: you don't need to be fluent to speak English. Start speaking now. Speak broken English proudly. That's how fluency is born. 2. Stay consistent, not perfect. Success isn't about doing big things once. It's about doing small things every day. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. One small habit, repeated daily, can change your life. Example: 5 minutes of English listening daily is better than 5 hours once a month. Keep going, even when it's boring or slow. That's how you win. 3. Believe in yourself, loudly. You must be your first believer. Even when no one claps for you, clap for yourself. Success begins when you believe, yes, I can. Example: say it with me, I can speak English. I will learn. I am improving every day. Feel the power of those words. 4. Learn from every failure. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's the path to success. Every mistake teaches you. Every fall makes you stronger. Example: if you said the wrong word today, good. That means you're learning. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. 5. Take responsibility for your life. No more excuses. Your life, your dream, your English, they are your responsibility. Don't blame the past. Don't wait for help. You are the hero of your story. Example: if you don't understand grammar, learn it. If you feel shy, face it. Own your journey and magic will happen. 6. Stay hungry to learn. Success loves the curious mind. Never say, I know enough. Say, teach me more. Be a student forever, and life will always reward you. Example: read a new book. Watch a new video. Learn one new word today. Keep your fire alive. 7. Surround yourself with growth. Your environment shapes your success. Surround yourself with people, thoughts, and habits that lift you higher. Avoid the negative. Find the positive. Protect your energy. Example: listen to English podcasts. Follow positive people. Join an English speaking group. Create a world where learning feels exciting. 8. Visualize your dream life. See it in your mind. Imagine your future. Speaking English confidently, getting your dream job, traveling the world. Feel that dream as if it's real. Example: close your eyes and say, I see myself speaking English fluently. I feel proud. I feel powerful. The mind believes what you show it. 9. Stay patient and persistent. Success is not instant. It takes time. It takes patience. The tree you plant today needs water every day before it gives you fruit. Example, you may not see big results today, but if you don't give up, your English will grow beautifully, powerfully, unshakably. 10. Never stop believing in the power of change. You are not stuck. You are not small. You are becoming. Every day is a chance to become stronger, smarter, more confident. Example, maybe last year you were afraid to speak, but look at you now, learning, growing, believing. The best is yet to come. My dear friend, these 10 powerful principles are not just for success, they are for you. Yes, you, the one watching, learning, dreaming. Your English journey is a mirror of life, and in both, you are capable of greatness. So don't just listen, live these principles. Practice them, believe in them, and remember, success doesn't belong to the perfect. It belongs to the persistent. If no one told you today, I believe in you, and I'm so proud of your effort. Let's grow together, one word, one dream, one day at a time. You've got this.